to know if it could be the kind of girl you could go down for.
Hey Wonderfros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe, and if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about two detangling tools that I've gotten a lot of questions about lately here on YouTube and on Instagram, so we're just going to jump right into it. But before we do, take one quick second, go down below and click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me, and thumbs up if you like this type of content. And without further ado, let's jump into it. So lately I've been getting a lot of questions about these two brushes. For whatever reason, I guess people just started picking up, noticing this Felicia Leatherwood brush. It's been out for a minute. I got mine maybe like, I don't know, I want to say like 6 months ago. I've been using my Denman Brush for years. No, it is not modified, but I've been using both of these for a while, and I told you guys about this one on Instagram, so if you don't follow me, then go do that because I covered this already, but I guess I never officially addressed it here on YouTube. But I love this brush, okay? There's actually a blue one out now. I saw it on Natural Range channel, and I was so jealous because I was like, what? Blue is my favorite color, how come? What? I was just, anyway, I have the pink one. This is one of the OG colors, and like I said, I got this about 6 months ago, so I was gonna be just comparing and contrasting these two because I've been getting a lot of questions recently. I'm not gonna be demoing either of these only because y'all have seen me use both of these like God knows how many times on my channel, every single wash day, almost every single tutorial. It's been crazy, but this is technically not a detangling brush, okay? This is the Denman brush. It is the 7-row one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, the 7-row one, not the 9-row one. I have been using this for years, like basically since the beginning of my hair journey. I had a Denman brush even back when I was transitioning, but my hair was too weak at the time. I couldn't handle it. So I've been using this forever, and this is actually my second one. They do wear down. The rubber at the bottom does wear down, and it got really bendy, and I've mentioned a few times before that I felt like my Denman brush was pulling my hair out. I have modified it. I'll link Natural 85's video above. I just followed her method basically, and I've taken rows out. I think that did help, but it doesn't give as much curl definition. And I've also experimented with using this brush a different way. Sometimes I brush my hair down, other times I use it vertically and brush my hair down. So depending on how you hold it also makes a difference. But again, this is not a detangling brush. I was using it for detangling because I did not have any other detangling tools that I felt like worked well, but this is a curl defining tool. It is a curl defining brush, and it says that, I believe, on the Denman Brush website. If you actually go and look, this is not for detangling natural hair. It is for curl definition. I just, again, was using it as a detangling brush because I thought it was the best tool at the time. When it comes to curl definition, I do really like it. When it comes to how flexible the bristles are, I do really like it. And when it comes to being able to be modified, honestly, the fact that you can take rows out is pretty cool as well. I do feel like I have a decent grip on it. I think after you get product on your hands, it is harder to hold on to. But all in all, because I've been using this for years, I do really like it. And I think it does a great job at curl defining your hair, just especially for pop and twist outs. Some people don't like to use this for wash and goes. I'm still like on the fence about it, but you definitely could use this for wash and goes, and I do highly recommend this brush. However, when it comes to detangling, I have been going back and forth between these two brushes to see which one would give me the less amount of breakage, fallout, shedding, anything like that on wash day, and this actually is the brush that does not rip my hair out. Okay, and you guys can again check out Instagram. It's on one of my highlights. It has a little pic on there. I experimented with it on there. It was my first time getting it and using it, and this I can say is definitely a detangling brush. This is not a curl defining brush, and for that purpose I think this is better for detangling and this is better for curl definition, like they were both invented for. This again is the Felicia Leatherwood brush. I actually got put on, I think it was My Natural Sisters was the channel where I first saw this brush being used, and I was like, oh my gosh, what is that? And why does it look so awesome? And I need to get one. So I did, and this literally like just does not pull out my hair as much as the Denman brush did when I was trying to detangle with it. Again, I know this is not a detangling brush. Now, ironically, these bristles are not very flexible. Okay, they're very hard. And I would think that this would break my hair. Like if something's gotta give, it's either going to be the brush, the bristles on here, or it's gonna be my hair. And this just looked like it was going to rip my hair out. But your hair has to be hydrated enough, have enough water in it, and it also has to have enough product in it, and then you can use this brush. On damp hair, I don't know if this is as good of a fit. There is some kind of movement here because as you can see, the bristles are on like a row and the whole row will move. It's not attached at the top, but ultimately I think that this is a good fit for detangling. And I have type 4 natural hair. I have some 3C, but it's mostly type 4 natural hair, and the bottom is easy to hold on to. It's pretty wide. Even with product, I think it's pretty easy to hold on to. Sometimes this does slip out of my hand though, I'm not gonna lie, because things just get real slippery in the bathroom, okay, so overall I do like it. Again, I have been using this for about 6 months, I want to say, maybe less, like 5. I don't remember when I got this, but I remember it was back in the spring of this year, and I really like it. For detangling purposes, I highly recommend this brush. It does not pull out as many hairs. It doesn't seem like it would work, okay, but it does. Now this brush I think retails for $14. This one I think was 12 or 13, so they're around the same price point. Conclusively, I think that they both do the job that they were intended for very well. I got this one off of Amazon. I think you can buy it directly from FeliciaLeatherwood.com, Amazon. They might have some on eBay, but you know, be careful on eBay. Not everybody is as honest as they should be. This I got from, I don't know, a beauty supply store. My first Denman brush though I got from Sally's, I'm pretty sure. So they are accessible. You can get them at different retailers. It's not so exclusive, but I do really like both of these brushes, and again, for their intended purpose. This I don't use to detangle as much anymore, but I still think it is a good brush, and I still highly recommend it for curl definition, and I still use it every single wash day. This I think is great for detangling, just like it's meant for. This I think doesn't pull out as many hairs, and I highly recommend it for detangling. So if you are in between trying to like keep your Denman brush, if you want to throw this one away and just get this one, I don't suggest you doing that. At least for me and my hair type, that wouldn't have been a good look, because I do still use both every single wash day. And for me also, I think using this one seems like it wouldn't work, but it does. So for detangling purposes, Felicia Leatherwood. For curl definition purposes, Denman. And that is my final thought, okay? Final thoughts on these brushes. I think both of them are necessary in my hair journey. These are two staple tools that I will never let go of. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it gave you some more information. If you guys wanted to see me use either brush, again, click on any of my tutorials. I'm using both of these like crazy, and I highly recommend both of them. Yes, they are expensive, but yes, they are worth it. So I will leave the links down below in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff. Don't forget to check out any of my other social media platforms over here and any of my previous uploads over here. And click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!